Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. I'm also fine. Learn how to remove table lines or borders in Microsoft Word quickly and correctly. In this tutorial, we will discover the correct methods to delete inside lines, outside borders, or specific grid lines while keeping your table layout professional and organized. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here assignment for my college. Now I added a table and remove the line. Go to the blank page, then zoom in the document. Then go to the insert menu. Click the table option and create a table. Now we can see here a table. Here many line. You want to remove any line. At first click inside the table, then go to the design menu. Now you can remove any line. Apply many methods, like you can go to the layout menu, click the eraser option, then click any line, erase the line. This is a very easiest way. Now we can see we remove any line easily. Then we turn off the eraser, click again eraser option. Otherwise you can remove any line, select the border, then go to the design option and choose the border drop down menu, and we can see here the right border, left border, or all border here. Now you can remove any border, click this border, like I select the right border, and we can see we remove the right border. Otherwise you can remove the left border, click the border drop down menu, choose left border. We can see we remove this. Otherwise you can remove the top bottom border, go to the border option again and select the top border. Otherwise you can remove the bottom border. Now we can see we remove any border using the way very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.